Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, January 31st, and we're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. Very positive day here for the bulls. I'm impressed, very impressed. As for the longest time, we did have an inside day. We finally came out of it late in M period. We go out with a double distribution day. We do hold small singles in C. And we go out with a really nice price probe for both ES and SPY. Triple Qs, late in the day, and I mean late in the last couple of minutes, they take out yesterday's high, so they don't have an inside day, but they're still in balance. Qs, NQ, ES, and SPY on the daily are in balance. Russell's the only one up on the daily. They go out with a price probe in Qs, no single prints though. They do end 9 wide and an afternoon pullback low in F. Russell, 2 sets of single prints, B and C, and a price probe. So that's very nice for them. And they came above their balance high to close up. I sound like a broken record. It's something I'm gonna if this market is going to go back to what it did pre-2022, I'm gonna have to get my mind right. I didn't get hurt at all today. I actually made $500 on the day. Nothing great, nothing bad, but not participating with this market when it's grinding like this is kind of getting on my nerves. All right, it's a psychological thing. I call the market. It's not like I'm telling the room, hey, I'm short here and you shouldn't be long. Far from it. I'm telling the room, we're going higher. We're one time framing up. Until something changes, you can be long here. Now, I did try to get long. I mean, I really thought when F pulled back in ES that we would fill this little set of single prints, and that would have been a beautiful long at that point. But it didn't, and I didn't get long. And then it grinded right back up. It was a tremendously painful grind, a good part of the afternoon. All here. Then they went trend here. L took it back with a reversal bar. Actually made money on a short, filling those singles. I took a short at 69. But the bottom line is this market was trying to go higher most of the day. And then M just exploded. Now, no doubt it's the end of the month. It's a very nice finish to the first month of the year, up over 6% in the ES. That's something they certainly would like to put under their belt after last year. But there is still a lot in front of us that it's going to be interesting. It's almost like they're daring the Fed, okay? Wait until you see the charts above the trend line. All the averages have converged. We're up in the weekly, balance daily, and an inside month balance on the monthly. So there's a lot that can happen as we go forward here. So, again, I'm not even going over my trades. I did okay, made $500 like I said, but I'm a little disgusted again that I didn't participate. As far as upside destinations, we have today's high of 406.53 in SPY, 408.16. So now not only is that a balance high on the daily, it's a balance high, well, it's our monthly high, and we had an inside month. Very important if we come out of it tomorrow. Then we have 410.49 monthly high, 411.08 afternoon rally high from September 12th, and 411.73. For the downside, price probe, L's high of 404.84, 402.50, F's pullback low, single prints 402.42 to 34, and today's low of 400.77. NES, upside, 91.25, today's high, 09.25, monthly high, 09.50 to 11.25, single prints. Remember, SPY filled theirs. ES missed them that other day. 41 is another monthly high. Now, let's go to the charts. Before we get to the charts, one thing that certainly gave an indication that sellers were weak today. Pre-market, they pushed down. Well, where am I? Here. They pushed down pretty good. Remember I said they got into the single prints from that Wednesday. But then we pushed up right before the opened. We did one time frame down, but we couldn't take out the overnight low or yesterday's low. And then we had a reversal bar. That should have been some kind of sign that sellers were really weak from the get-go. But again, I'm not surprised we made higher highs. I just thought we wouldn't keep going and attempting to go trend. And we only did hold only one set, but then we basically went, kind of parabolic in M period when M does what it wants to do. So the base of the price probe will be a focal point for tomorrow morning. Now let's get to the charts. So here's the monthly. I'm calling this a 5-month balance, okay? 411.73, September's high is the top of it. Well, it's an inside month. So if we take out 408.16 tomorrow, we would be coming out of an inside month to the upside. However, we're not coming out of balance yet as far as I'm concerned. We got to get above 411.73 with acceptance. So keep that in mind if we go higher tomorrow. Okay, monthly is still balanced. Inside month. Weekly, up. One-time framing up. 5 weeks. Coming out of an inside week to the upside above that lower high trend line. And then the daily, 4-day balance. Okay? Friday's high is the top of it. Monthly high. Thursday's low is the bottom of it. So it should be a real interesting day tomorrow. Not just tomorrow. You got tomorrow, you got the tech earnings Thursday night, and Friday non-farm payroll. So by Friday night, I can't wait to see what this chart on the daily does end up like. Right now, our balance is, how big is it? It's not that big. It's $8. So just keep this in mind. Between the Fed, the big tech earnings, and non-farm payroll, you can easily take out both sides of this balance before we have some clarity. Please keep that in mind. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Come check us out at camelbacktrading.org. Enjoy your evening, and we will speak prior to the opening tomorrow.